Hello. Good morning, traders. Welcome to the live stream. It's been 2 days back. We did a live stream. So today is a Sensex expiry. Let's see any of the opportunities we'll be getting today for a trade. I like how the day goes. Okay. If we see the global markets performance, we have a flat kind of trading. Okay, we have a flat trading ranges in almost all of the markets. Okay, and like flat to a bullish. Okay, flat to a positive sentiment. That's good. Let's see what happened yesterday and what is the trading range for a day. That Nifty, Sensex, and Nifty. If we see yesterday was a good almost 200 or 230 points down Nifty. Also, if we expect a positive node is there, so looking into a Nifty, I'm expecting a sideways, okay, and also it's a weekend for the market, so I'm expecting not much momentum. I'm expecting a sideways sentiment, okay. Nifty looks sideways for a day, and if I look at Bank Nifty, a good fall, a good pullback, and a good stretch out and a fall, okay. A good fall from my 10 IS point, and this is also very good stretch out, a very good pullback and a fall. If I look into a Bank Nifty, a possibility of too much of rally towards an uptrend is very less. Okay. Here also the things are looking out for a sideways, max to max a sideways. So this is a case. A very good swing, okay, a very good swing, and right now it is what trading in between, the in between of the pre-or swing. So and also it has opened exactly to the yesterday's low and as well as yesterday's close. This part of the area will act as will have some of the strength, okay, some of the demand it is having. So needs to be seen how it will be traded for the rest of the day. So looking at the Bank Nifty also, I'm expecting a sideways range, okay. I'm expecting a sideways range. Right now, no opportunities. It looks very weak for a short downside, okay. You can expect some minority of the fall, okay. And towards an upside also, it looks very weak until here this swing. This whole area is what looks very weak. So the market have a tendency towards move towards that side. Okay, let's see. Let's mark these zones and. So we can do this thing. What we can expect is like uh, for until a first off, okay, for until a first off or for the rest of the day, if the market water stays in a sideways, I'm expecting a bank nifty to be trades in a range of 44,540 as a support and 45,590 as a resistance. Okay, let's see how it will goes. Let me put it in the chart. And if reach 44.40 support and 45,590. Okay, almost 45,600. Let's put 45,600. Resistance till a good momentum is what giving out good momentum. See, this part of the area looks very weak. Okay, right now looks little bit of strong. For our entry, let it take a pullback and then let it make another good green candle, so we can go for an entry. Okay, let me put a trading range. Before that, let me go for a Sensex. Okay, let's check how is it performing. A weak point. A weak point. Lazy rise, okay. Just a lazy rise. The strength of year is also not that much of a great, so just a lazy rise. So if you mark this zone as a low and opened at yesterday's close, there will be some um, more more people will be looking towards this part of the area. Okay, so either to break or either to give up a rally. This is also looking very great for a level of a resistance. Let's see this part of the area as well. So we can expect a tight range. Okay, that means here also no much momentum. No much momentum. Looking towards as a support. Yes. So looking into the broader range, the Sensex is what trading in a sideways. Okay, a very good resistance, a very good sell off, and a not great support. Okay, so it was just stuck in between that range. So okay, so looking into this range, what I'll be expecting for a Sensex is I'm expecting Sensex to be trades in a range of 70,400. Okay, 70,400 as a support and 72,550 as a resistance. Okay, for a day. For a day. I won't expect a much momentum, so it will be good for an option sellers to gain the premiums. Okay, this day will be work in a favor of an option seller. Let's see what's happening with the mid cap. Okay, this mid cap won't care for any other index. Okay, it will perform its own way. What I sell off? What I sell off today? See, until this part, it looks very weak. Okay, until this part, it looks very weak. So what we can do is we can take one selling opportunity. Okay, this okay. We can expect some alting over here. Okay, a good sell off from yesterday. So we can expect an alting over. Okay, if this if it is there any pullback from at this point, and if it takes a very good stretch out, and for the rest of the, that means for the second half of the day, it will be a pure selling. Okay, a pure selling. This I'm saying like this kind of thing. Okay, a bouncing back again to this part of the area and a good stretch out until like this part, and then it looks a very free fall. Okay, so we can expect a very good sell off. Good going. Right now, no shorting opportunity. Okay, right now, this is not a shorting opportunity. Mid cap would be what a trending. Okay, I think a mid cap will be in a trending day. Some momentum will be there in the mid cap. Okay, looking at this thing. So now just a pullback. Okay, just a minority of the pullback. Let's see how it goes. Nifty. Already broken a prior support. Okay, it's already broken a prior support. So max to max. Max to max for a day, it can fall until only this point. Okay? For a day, maximum it can fall until this point. Looks very weak. Okay, this part of the area looks very weak, and also for an upside, no potential it is there. So we can expect some little bit of selling only. rejection. This is rejection, not a correction. It's to be seen out. A weakness towards downside, okay? Let's see how long it will take uh, time to break out this support and resistance. An upside a barrier is there, downside a weakness is there, so needs to be seen out. Mid cap looks for a trending, but it takes some of the time. Looking into a nifty range, the same thing, okay? There won't be a much momentum, so I'm expecting a sideways. Expecting sideways and mark. Max to max, it has lost its potentiality, okay? It has lost its potentiality. Just a lazy thing. So if I want to say the trading range for a nifty, looking at this thing is, we can expect a tight range, okay? So looking at this thing, what I will be expecting with the nifty is, expect nifty to be trades in a range of 21,540 as a support and 21,970 as a resistance, okay? Let me put it in the chart. So almost we analyze the indexes. Just need to be concentrate on taking the trades. That's it. Looks good for shorting. Looks good. Looking good. Let's see, okay? Let's see. For going long, potentiality not there, so just need to wait for a good base formation. Let's go for a stocks, okay? Let's see how the stocks are performing and let's see which index is contributing more for a day. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty were performing sideways, and the more contributor on a positive node is almost flat. Okay, IT is 0.2% up, Pharma is 0.2% up. The rest other things are flat, and Bank Nifty is also 0.2%, FMCG 0.2%, and the indexes were turning out a little bit of a negative. Okay, and mid cap is what turned 0.8% down. Okay, where mid cap is down by 0.8%, And if we see energy is also almost to 0.8%. Okay. So sideways to a bearish node needs to be seen. So if we go for a shorting opportunity, let's see for a shorting side. Okay, today let's see Coal India from an energy sector. Coal India is what stretching his leg towards the downside. What a rise, what a momentum yesterday. Very good rise, very good fall. Let's go for this. Potentiality is there, a good candle formation out of here. So if it breaks this point, what we can expect is the next fall will be this. Okay, the next support zone is what this. So right away, shorting opportunity. Right now, no shorting opportunity needs to be wait. Okay, until a good base formation. We don't want this kind of fall. Okay, we want some momentum fall. So let's see. This good. This good. It kept falling. Checks falling out. Gap down. It's a kind of a double top, right? It's a kind of double top. Good for selling, okay? Good for selling until this point. Target can be this point. Bank Nifty is staying strong. Yeah, good for okay. We can do is like no, I won't go for a short in mid cap. Let's wait. Okay. This is looking good for a short. Okay. Got a pullback and then a fall. Then it looks good for a short. Or else the whole thing is a big test. So why would I do this thing? Wait. No trade, okay? No trades. Bank Nifty becoming a little bit strong. No shorting opportunity. Okay, let's wait for the proper direction needs to be made. Okay, no shorting in mid cap. Don't go for a short. Let's wait. Sensex looks good for a long because taking out a pullback, so we can get a trade in a pullback. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's wait properly.
ಸರಿ 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 ನಾನು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಫೋನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತು
Traders, that's what said. There's no opportunity, and market will be what gonna stay sideways. Sensex looks for a dropout. See no opportunities we can get. Okay, looking good for a short. Looking good for a short. This is good for a short, okay? This is good for a short. Let's monitor our chart from this point, okay? Keep some sell and let's try to get this. I'm expecting a short, okay? I'm expecting the Sensex to fall. Let's see. This looks perfectly good for a short, okay? If that's the case, we can expect all the way till this point, somewhere around this zones. So it's falling out. And if we turned out, let's see, okay? Yeah. Nifty, okay? Compared to mid cap, you can take a trades in a Nifty, okay? And mine is what Sensex. This looks good. Let's see any of the. So, see any of the gamma effect is there in any of the. It's completely minorize mid cap. This thing Nifty, and let's go for Sensex. Sensex. Let's go for an ATM port. Let's see. Goes. This looks perfectly good. Okay, this looks perfectly good. Structure looks good. Of course, it needs to take some of the time to get fed from all of the activities. This is looking good for a short. And if you see 20, this should be Sensex. Score for 71,500 PE. We're just trading at an almost 180 point premium, 180 premium. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. This part of the area looks very big. So, right now, put request time. Okay. Looking at this part. Okay. Looking at an option chart. An option chart is saying that it requires still an amount of time to fall. This looks perfectly good for a short. Yours. My internet is become totally lag. Okay. No trade in mid cap. Sorry, Nifty. Trading Nifty. Let's go for only This part of the area looks good for a short. We see that. Let's wait. Okay. At this point of an area, we can expect position building and towards a rally towards an upside. Okay, so let's wait. Let's not directly jump in. This part of the area looks good. Sensex is working out. Good going. Let's see whether we get a 1:1 or like what kind of ratio we can take out from this. Good going. I'm expecting this candle to be closing red only. Okay, I'm expecting this Sensex candles to be closing red. Good going. Expecting a quick fall. I'm expecting a fall. This is a lazy fall. Okay, so if it's a lazy fall, somewhat buying is there. Somewhat buying is there in opposite side of a fall. Good going. This is what we want. I expect still fall. Okay, I expect still one big candle, one big red candle. Just buying game expected in the red, but game. This is also red only. Looking into an option, it requires still a good amount of time to give a good rallies. Okay, so 1 second. What happened here is like all this guys went out and let's wait. Okay, let's wait. There's no proper strength is what seeing over here. So why do you get in an hurry and why do you get irritated by itself, right? So let's wait. We see that stocks specific. What a pullback. What a pullback. If this is a case, then the things are what becoming strong for an upside. Okay, that's what's it. Somewhere buying is there in this lazy fall. So that's a case. Oh my god. What a pullback. What a pullback. See, that is, see, we analyze a perfect, okay? Perfect analysis video. Right away, entry over here, okay? See, this, see, this part of the area looks a fall, okay? If we enter an option by looking into a spot chart, see, where you will be keeping an SL, right? Either you'll be keeping an SL at this point of an area, or you'll be keeping well below this candles, right? So your candles is what got this single candle is what get hit your SL, right? So if we see an option chart, also we can able to analyze that whether right now an opportunity is there for an entry or like what, right? So this is a case, a good pullback and gonna happen. Gosh, if it needs to fall, okay, if it really needs to fall, straight away fall won't come. Okay, it needs to rise. It needs to build some position. It needs to consolidate over it. Time correction needs to be happen at somewhere on this point of an area, and if then fall comes at this area, then we can expect a good fall. Straight away fall won't come. Okay, straight away fall won't come. Opportunity. So Bajaj Finance, Finso, LTIM, Power Grid, Nestle, these were top changers. No right away trades. No opportunity. TCS. No shorting, okay? No short. Comparatively looks pretty weak. This is what we want. Perfect. Good selling. See, no momentum in selling, only that 30 stocks of an Sensex is what doing some momentum. See here where see in the Fin Nifty positions were building out. Okay, this is where becoming a strength. Strength is what showing out. This part of the Fin Nifty. What I candles, what I pull back. Again, if this is a case, as and when the things are start to take make like this, the things are becoming strong. Okay, towards an upside. A fall came. See for making this one single candle, the consecutive three candlesticks were fall. Okay, and see almost the one single green candle has almost took out this and the prior candles close. Okay, that means strength is there. So this is a case we can expect some pullback. Completely, this is not making any sense. So for short, if we see Sensex, see where some positions is what building out. Bank Nifty becoming strong. Okay, Bank Nifty becoming a strong. If that's the case, it will drag the Nifty towards an upside. The things are looking good. Okay, things are looking good. The weakness is there. Position is what building out. So what we will do means let's go for a long in a Bank Nifty. Okay, let's see a Bank Nifty long, keeping an SL well below this, and our target will be almost 1:3. Okay, so wait before entering. Let's look an option of a Bank Nifty. Perfectly looking good for a long. See, strength is there, and also Nifty is what turning out into long. Sensex. Let's cut this off at break even. Okay, I'm not expecting a much fall in this. Let's cut this off. So cut this off. This is how the trading works here and where when the things are not looking good. So you need to cut off your things. That's it. Instead of sitting at a loss, instead of praying to get the things, instead of praying for bad things to get to the right, why to worry, right? So let's go for a C. Oh, Bank Nifty is looking good. Let's wait. This also no. Let's see after looking into an option, we can enter. No longer as a trigger. Wait. Okay. this much of time taking for an load. Not getting more issues. Just a second. Okay? Uh, let's see. Bank Nifty option is also not looking that much of great. Oh, it requires still a good amount of time. Okay, it requires still a good amount of time. So we entered and long at this point, right? Almost at this point. Okay, it's not winter. Okay, the things are what got stuck in and said this. So let us see an opportunity in stocks. Mm-hmm. Okay, this so. Okay, see, looking good. Again, I know much opportunity. Let's wait. Okay, this part of area is looks very weak. So let's see. I want this kind of fast internet and things to work. Okay, let's see. Just a Friday, no lazy wall. No interest can be shown. Hey, she Nifty also. No trade. Okay, no trade. Let's look for a stock should okay. TCS, it's looking good. Okay, TCS looking good. Trying to make an base over at this point of area. So needs to be seen. If it takes a good amount of time at this point of area and it gives a breakout towards an upside, almost it will take another 45 minutes. Okay, 50 to 45 minutes of time it wants. If it really wants to go up, okay. And if we look at this point, if it makes a one single green candle good breakout, all this point of area looks very weak. Okay, so it will be look good for a long side. If we look at Bharti Airtel, thing yeah, so and that's things are becoming weak. That means base are becoming weak. It is becoming weak. Let's see the P chart. Nifty is looking good for a short. This point of this is not a long. Just a sideways, okay? Just a sideways, and also if we look towards fall is also also less. Okay, I expect as advice only for some amount of time. Looking very good for short. Needs to be seen how it goes. For shorting also there is no strength. Okay, so that's why waiting. Shorting also no strength. It requires a time to do anything. It requires a very good amount of time to do anything. That's it. Good pullback. Good pullback. Sensex is what? What a pullback. But gamma effect is not there still. 500. Even for an ATM, gamma plus is not there. Okay, gamma is maximum for an ATM. But despite for this much of a pullback, this much of a sudden rise, gamma is not showing its effect. That means volatility is there. Okay. So, mid-cap no trading opportunity. Nifty no trading opportunity. Sensex gamma plus not worked. Here also see happening is like see how does the bank nifty options and this P, okay, this C. What a sudden shoot up and what a sudden fall. To be in the stocks. A good structure is forming out in Bar Theatre. It's looking good. This space needs to be hold strong, okay, for an upward momentum. Just a sideways activities, okay? Just a sideways activities. No trade. Mid cap finally somehow has touched this support zone. While doing a lazy rise only it has touched, okay? So now we can expect a pullback. So this part of the area of a mid cap still looks for a short, okay? Still looks for a short. Okay, let's monitor one of the short opportunity, okay? Let's monitor how it goes. This is looking big, so jump on. I think the problem itself is the broker. So if I load the broker's chart, it will be what? Too much of lag, okay? Let's try to see the things from trading view. Just a second, this part of an area. Just a second, okay? Like it's affecting our. What will do means this good, and let's go for this. This is all about the coding, okay? We being a software engineers, we are good with this. This is good. Let's go for this. Let's target this div. Let's make it display none. So now the things will look good, okay? So why? Because our live watching and subscriber goals, this were not looking fine. So we just added all the things, okay? We just done the things. So now it is looking perfectly fine. We're looking perfectly fine. This is not looking good. BPCL is not looking good. Let's go for an HDFC Bank. We want this kind of super fast data to be loaded. Okay, this looks good for a shorting. Right now, a minority of the pullback is there, so we can try to make some amount of money over this pullback. See this, just this, and this. Also see our indicator what it's saying. Weakness is there, okay? Weakness is there. STPC. Let's go for a Reliance. Reliance Industry. Just a sideways. Over India. No, Reliance is looking good, okay? Reliance is looking good for a long. Fantastic. This looks very good. Okay. Drop this. Maybe. This really looks good. Things I was stuck in anyways. So let's wait, okay? Let's wait and let's go for a Coal India. This is what bouncing back. This is bouncing back. So can we get an opportunity of going long? Needs to be wait. We go for IOC. This perfectly looks good. IOC looks perfectly good. Let's go for a long, okay? Right away long. Okay, this looks good. Okay, let's monitor an IOC long. Okay, we'll enter at this point. We'll keep an we have entered at 180.3 and we'll keep a stop loss of 3 rupees. And let's try to get some on this to 3. Okay, let's try to get some on this to. Potentiality is there. Potentiality is there. Needs to be seen how it takes. Okay, this someone is to 2, 2 is to 3. Let's see how it goes. Okay, we are long on IOC. Let's go for NTIM. Oh, this is okay. Let's go for Pro. Let's go for 90C. Opportunity much. The thing is like here where good structure is formed out and this looks good. It's looking good for also a long. Okay, what we'll do means we'll enter along in ITC as well. Okay, and entering along in ITC also. Why? Because a strong close of a green candle. Okay, because of a strong close of a green candle, and also what our strategy says is like a good base is there. This is not a much a good. This is not a much of a good base. Okay, but still, if I use my intraday strategy, this is looking good for a long. Okay, why? Because good pullback. A good pullback from a long move, and then a good stretch out is what I from a short move. That is good. ITC is good. We are long on ITC and IOC. Okay, long on both. Ice. This is good. I'm expecting a very big green canvas to be formed out for hitting a target. Okay, IOC ITC. And let's go for a sun farmer. This is perfectly looking for a short. Perfectly looking for a short. Okay, the thing is like. If I shot at this point, if I shot right away, it would be like an early shorting. Okay, so let's wait for a proper setup needs to be triggered. Okay, I'm expecting a minor pullback. Okay, a minor pullback towards this zone. Yes, this kind of move I expect till this, and I'm expecting a good objection at this point. So it looks very good. So let's go for an ICICI Bank. Okay, this is also looking good for a short, yes. This broker is literally what lagging. Side report just lags. Not at this kind of a smooth guys. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's go for an spin. This is good. From here, our long entry would have got triggered. This looks good. What move yesterday? What I move? Fantastic move, but no, we are not entering right away. Let's go for an Apollo Hospitals. Lazy rice. So no entry. Let's go for a grassing. This is good. Looks good. This part of the area is also looks good. Okay. This part of the area also looks very good. Let's try to monitor along. If you go along, see all this part of the area looks really so. Oh, what we want to do? Okay, we can still enter along. This part of the area is very easy. Okay, but look the overall thing. Okay, let's be long on Grasim as well. Let's expect someone is 2.5 to 1:3. Okay, Grasim IOC ITC. We are long on this. Let's go for an M&M. Indra and Mahindra. Let's go for them and let's go them. Everything is what turning out into a green, I think. Then an initial sell off, then again the things are getting back. What a move, yeah. What a move happening. The buffalo, this is what getting stuck. Water is, huh? Let's close this. It will become too slow. Water is. Water is. This is what I come up last. This is very one single candle. One single candle. This purple is really becoming worst here. Back ITC. This is looking good. Good going. Let's go for an ultra tech. What a move is the waste of thing. Intraday is bouncing back from bottom. This looks good. This looks fantastic. So what we'll do means we can able to go for long opportunity. Long opportunity is also there. Okay, we are long. Okay, we are long on this. Keeping extra office. Ultratech, Grasim, IOC. We have multiple opportunities to be what looking. Let's go for this.